Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We now have our very own Spy Money platform, and it uses the Quantower platform, but it's the Spy Money platform where everything is included in it. With your lease with Spy Money, you no longer have any fees with Quantower. We cover the fees for you. So to get started, all you have to do is just go to Spy Money website, and you can click on some information, which I'll show you in a minute, on how to get started. But I just wanted to give you a kind of an overview of what it is. This is my live account, and with my live account, I have the NQ up. I also have a bot turned over here, but I don't have it turned on. But I've got it loaded. I'll say it better words. And we have our strategy that we use. And with this strategy, it works really well. Sometimes we use the different time frames and so forth. Spy Money bars are soon to come. That is something I have to work with Quantower itself. But the good part about this is once you download the platform, all of the indicators are included. They're already here. So you don't have to load anything and install anything. The only thing you have to do is download the platform just like you would Quantower and start it up just like you would Quantower, but everything is already there. That's the good part about it. Over here, it's grayed out right now, but the top right, you have like a little recycle bin and our logo. And if this pops up green, that means I have updated. So the only thing you have to do is just click the update, install the update. It will shut your platform down, restart it, and that's it. There's no more importing different files and trying to figure out where to put this and that. Everything is done automatically. And that makes it a whole lot easier on the user. And it's also easier on me because I upload it to the server. And once I do that, it will notify you and let you know when there's an update. So if this is grayed out, you know you have the latest version. There is no looking back and trying to remember if you updated anything. That was a hassle with the old platform that we used. With this new platform, we have no issues with connections. Our data is much faster. There is no lagging in the data anymore like we did with the other company we were using. And we also have everything just works. We have a copy trader down here that we can turn on. We can trade across many different instruments and different accounts. We can trade like Apex, BluSky, Live Account, whatever you want, all at the same time. So there are no issues with ghost orders and so forth. We've eliminated everything that we had trouble with. NinjaTrader had so many ghost orders, it was not funny. There was data lag and all kinds of things, and it was not good, and we couldn't figure out what it was. We kept asking, didn't get any results. It was always, it's not them, da 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 da. You know how that goes. Well, now we don't have that problem. We have a brand new platform, and it is a Spy Money platform. We have more in this platform than you get with Quantower. There are more things that you can do with mine than what you can with Quantower. And we're getting ready to change the order entry over here and make this even better than what it is now. As far as changing the flags, the way they appear, we're going to be putting in different ways that we can move the stops around a lot easier and so forth. It's just going to be constant improvements. And every time we get an improvement, guess what? You'll see a little green recycle logo pop up, just like this is green. And whenever you see that, you just click update. It will update it, restart your platform, you're done. That's it. Anybody can click a logo and click update and be done. Anybody can do that. So a lot of people had issues with the NinjaTrader. We had to upload files, and we had to go in. We had to constantly delete databases and so forth to try to make things work. The constant freeze ups, all of that, it's all gone. I've never had one issue using the Spy Money platform. Not one issue. It works great. As soon as you click a buy order or a sell order, it pops up. It puts your bracket mode in there to where you have your exits in there, your stop loss, and your take profit and so forth. And this platform just works. And that's what we've been needing. There's been a lot of people that I've lost over the years because of using the other platform, how it was just constant freeze ups. It was ghost orders on prop accounts. If you were using a copy trader, it didn't matter if it was mine, Replicanto, or Apex, or whoever you use, they all have ghost orders. And it turns out it's not the prop firms, it was the platform. And since we're not using that platform, we have not had one ghost order pop up ever. Not one. We have a bunch of users that use a lot of different accounts, up to 20 accounts, and there's never an issue with any kind of ghost order. Everything just works. Now, how would you feel if you were able to, say, got 20 Apex accounts, and if you did, and you click buy, all 20 of them loaded up, and then when you click flatten or it hits a take profit, all 20 of them shut off? Now, wouldn't that be a dream? Well, the dream is now here. So as long as you are entering where you need and taking profit and so forth, it's not hard to pass your evaluations using our strategy. It's very simple. And just like right here, this one right here would have been $385. Now, we don't go for that much. We go for smaller target, usually $200. So that's a winner right there. There's several winners in here that you would take. And it only takes a couple winners. If you're running 20 accounts and you get one trade and you make $200, that's $4,000 in one trade. So it doesn't take very much to make money now. And now that we have the copy trader, where we have a good one that actually works, then it is taking this game to a new level. And having this strategy is what you need. And by using this strategy, you're almost guaranteed, and I said almost, that you're going to do well. Everybody in our Discord is posting profits daily and doing very well. Now, we had a little bit of a learning curve going back over to this platform and getting away from the other platform. But you know what? Everybody that moved over ahead of time and did the Quantower platform has had no regrets. It takes a couple of days to kind of get used to things, but I now have videos on my website that show everything. So if you come up here, you can see that I have the download, how to open the platform, the connections, how to set up your live and prop accounts, how to update the platform, which I just showed you, the chart setup, which is simple, and how to load the bot and settings. And we're going to have some more videos, but pretty much that's all you need. So to add a bot, the only thing you have to do is click on this plus sign and then click your bot. Once you do that, you load it, then you go into your settings and you change your settings to make whatever it is that you want, and that's all. Your indicators, you click on that, and right here they are. You add them as you want. We have a list of them that I have loaded right now, and if you don't want something to show, you just click that and it goes away. So you can click all of these and all of your indicators are gone off the chart, but you don't have to reload them. If they're green, that means that they're not live. And then you come through here and you just highlight the ones you want, and as you highlight them, they turn white. That way you, at a quick glance, you know what is on and what is not. But this is what we use, and our main thing is our levels. We're looking for the levels to trade to. So this is how you do it, and you can add the rhythmic connections. You will not be able to trade any Tradeify accounts on this. So if you have Tradeify accounts, sorry, don't work. We no longer work with NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader has been our biggest issue with trying to trade these prop accounts and so forth. And even live accounts, sometimes we would freeze up 10, 15 times in a day, and we just couldn't trade. So if you were in a trade and then all of a sudden it locked up, well, guess what? You'd have to call an emergency number to get those trades closed out. We don't have those issues anymore. We've never had a ghost order one time. It is so wonderful to be able to not have to go back looking to see if there's a trade or that's running, or maybe you closed everything out and you come back an hour later and all of a sudden you've got blown accounts and you never even traded. Well, it turns out it was NinjaTrader causing the issues, because here's my proof. We run this platform, we have never an issue. When we run the NinjaTrader platform, we have issues. So this right here is working. The other is not. It was a blessing that our partnership ended. And I tell you, I could not be thankful enough. Sometimes you just need a little push to do something else, and then when you do that, things are just much better. And that's what happened with us. There is not one person in our group that has said they want to use Ninja over this. Once you come over to this, and now that I've made the platform, it's even less confusing, and I have the videos. You can sign up and get this downloaded in just a few minutes, and once you get it downloaded and installed, there's a couple of videos that show you how to go around this right here. Now, when you download it, it will look just like this. Everything's already set up. All the indicators are on the chart. The only thing that is not set up is the bot is not loaded. But you have the strategy manager here. You have the chart trader, or the chart here. You have your order entry. You have your accounts, and I have 2 accounts set up to where it will show the different ones. And then you have your copy traders already here, and your positions. It will look just like this. Now, here's one thing I like about the Spy Money platform. There's a lot, but this is one good thing. Let's say that you're going to leave for the day, but you don't want to turn anything off or whatever, and you're afraid something will happen. Guess what? You can lock the trading platform, and it will not trade anymore. All of your trades are gone. So if you are just maybe clicking on something by accident, if you have this locked, it will not trade. So now we unlocked it, and now they're back. We have more coming for this order entry that will only be on Spy Money. Everything you see right here is only on Spy Money platform, and it is ours. It is custom built for Spy Money. So there's a lot of things going to happen that you're going to see us doing that you can't do on other people's platform, like the AMP platform or whichever. And like I said, the good news is if you sign up with us, there are no platform fees. We cover those costs in the lease. So there are no platform fees that you will have to encounter, where right now you pay $70 a month for the Quantower. So all this is included. There's just one fee. You pay the lease, you get everything you need, you get the training, you get the Discord, you get all the indicators, all the bots, and we are adding more indicators as we go. Now there's a lot of indicators that I used to have that we didn't use, and we're not going to make them. But there's some that are key to the way we trade. And again, we have these right now. And I have a few more like Angular. I've got it made. I just got to upload it. And that'll be today. So we got Angular. We got an extender update. We have a coaster bot update that I'm going to put on. And guess what? As soon as I do, you'll get this little green recycle logo pop up, and you click it and you're done. There's no more deleting files and uploading files and constant crashes. And a lot of times you would have, once you installed a new update, you would have to end up deleting NinjaTrader and reinstall it, and it was a hassle. Everything was just a complete hassle, and now it's not. This is so easy that a kindergarten kid could download it and install this real easy. It's simple to use. The strategy works. We make money on it daily. It just works. And only thing you got to do is get started. And how do you get started? You come into SpyMoneyLSC.com. Whenever you come in here, get it loaded, and here's just the basic strategy, kind of show you what money that you could possibly make. Yes, sometimes you'll have a loser. You're not going to win every single one. It's just not going to happen. But if you come up here to the top, click on lease program, there's one simple thing that you have to do, and I have everybody do this because I want everybody on the same page. So if you come down here, I want you to read through this. If you agree to all 14 items, then what you have to do is copy and paste it and send it to me in a contact. The main thing that I like everybody to know is this right here. SpyBot auto trading bots are not set it and leave it bots. We manage our bots, and the way we manage them is if we have a level, we want to go ahead and take profit, even if the take profit is a little bit above it or whichever, or if it gets close to it and we get a little concerned that it's going to pull back, we take the profit. You don't have to have 100% profit of the trade. As long as you're taking profit on every trade, that's all you need to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and start there at the bottom at the 14 items, go up to the top to right here, and then you're going to right click and click copy. When you do that, we're going to go up here to the contact us. When we go to contact us, you're going to put in your first name, last name, and your email and phone number. If you don't have all this information, I'm not going to send you a link. And then you're going to go ahead and right click and paste. By doing this, this creates a binding contract that you have read and understand those 14 items, and you can't come back later and say, I didn't know. A lot of people want to say they don't know things, and I get it, because who reads the terms and conditions and everything? Most people just click a box, don't even read it, and go on. Well, this right here says that you did, and I want you to understand what the terms and conditions, the fulfillment policy, and our privacy policy. Our privacy policy is pretty much this. I don't share your information. I don't sell it to anybody. I don't give it to anybody. The only thing I do with it is for our personal, so that we can contact you if there's issues or whatever. That's what a privacy policy should be. No one should be selling information, and we don't. We sell none. And we don't give it out either. And I don't even tell other people, like Discord names or whatever. I don't share any of that information with anybody. So in our fulfillment policy, pretty much is no refunds. We don't ever do a refund. And the reason we don't is because people need to be serious about this. If you are looking to try something and just kind of move on, this isn't for you. This does work. And if you apply the principles that we have in the videos of the tutorials and such, you're going to do fine. I'm sure of it. This isn't for everybody though. But once you send that to me, as long as all the information is correct and I approve it, then I'll send you a link to join. And the only reason I do that is because I want to make sure that you understand all of this. This is very important. Very, very important. But once you do that, you send it to us, we get you signed up. If you don't have the money to trade on and you're looking for a funded account, these are the 3 that we recommend. They work very well. There's some coupon codes here, right there, and it works really well. Oops, go back. It works really well. So if you click on one of these right here, we have some people that swear by Apex, we have some that swear by BluSky, and some that swear by Take Profit. All 3 of them work very good. They have their different, they all have their problems, so it's just depending on what you want to do. It takes longer to get paid on Apex. If you're looking for faster money, BluSky and Take Profit pay quicker. So if you're looking for something that where you can get them passed and get your live accounts going and get money quicker, these 2 over here are quicker. Apex does give you up to 20 accounts though, so you can make a little bit of money and get paid a lot more in the end with just 1 or 2 trades. So it depends on what you want to do. We also VPS. You don't need a VPS for what we do, but if you want to, you click on this and get your VPS and get signed up with that. I don't even use the VPS anymore. I just use my desktop. I do a few little trades and that's it. I don't need to be trading all day, and so that's what I do. But if you have any questions or anything, send me a contact us. Let me know what your questions are. I'll do my best to answer. Again, this right here is what you get. It's everything. There's nothing else to buy. You pay your monthly lease, and that's all. You get all your updates and everything are going to pop up automatically. It's so easy to use, and there are no ghost orders. The ghost orders and the freeze ups, the constant freeze ups. I mean, some days you just could not run NinjaTrader because the freeze ups were just insane. And it wasn't just our company that was doing it. It was people in a lot of different forums complaining about it. But once you understand that there are no ghost orders here, and you're not constantly, trying to go back and close out trades in different accounts, and then you miss the next trade, you don't have to do that with this. Only thing you do here is enter the trade, take your profit, and then you wait for the next trade. There is no trade chasing, and that's what is incredible. If you have any questions, let me know. Spy Money platform is the best trading platform out there. I've been using it now for a while, probably about 3-4 months, and doing all the beta testing, getting everything set up. It is glitch free. It just works. So if you want to get started on it, let's go ahead and get you signed up and get you trading and making some money. You all have a great day.